Hi friends, welcome to Lifestyle Lakshmi. In this video, let us see how to register for Vipassana meditation course step by step. Even very soon, I upload a video with all information about Vipassana meditation. In Google search bar, type dhamma.org. The Vipassana site opens. In this site, all details are available about Vipassana meditation. Under About, Courses, Locations and Special Sites. In this, click the search option under Courses. Different types of meditation courses available for new students, old students, children and executives. If you are a new student, under the heading of New Students, it shows the courses available in next 1 year period. Then we have to select the region and the preferred language according to our preference. Then click on Search button. Now you can view the courses available on different dates. Here, the red color indicates the seats are filled for the course on that date. Green color indicates seats are available and one can apply. We have to click the apply button under the date convenient to us. In this e-form, we have to fill the necessary information and tick the terms and conditions without fail. Now click on Next. In this page, Code of Discipline about Vipassana course has given. You can go through completely. The do's and don'ts are given during Vipassana meditation. The timetable of the Vipassana meditation course also given here. Daily meditation starts from 4 a.m. to till 9:30 p.m. Click on Next. Here we have to give our personal details like name, age, date of birth, preferred language, also our contact numbers. And we have to upload a passport size recent photo here. Once you finish these details, you can submit this. Once our application is considered, we will get a confirmation mail from Vipassana Center. We have to give our confirmation in reply to their mail. Hope this information will be very helpful to you to apply Vipassana meditation course. Please send your comments in the comment box. Those who are watching this channel, please encourage me by subscribing and press the bell button for the notifications. Thank you all.